Namaste everyone. Today's talk is based on miscellaneous things or general discussion. It is generally observed for ordinary man or population when you will talk to them about Atma and Paramatma, they will not understand. When person suffers from diseases or some another kind of unhappiness or misery in life, they will go for joining spiritual courses. After course, few practices, few forget, few go ahead for further studies depending upon the interest and time available. When women are in hurry to catch bus or traveling in van with others official colleagues to reach office at time, they got up early in morning and made breakfast and tiffin for kids and family, and during traveling they do chanting or whatever they are used to worship like chalisa and other mantras. What I think, if person is working from early morning, then they need rest or need to go to office. This is question mark. I know many females who are doing their job at long distance, most of the time pass into traveling. This traveling time can be utilized in many ways. In previous video I already discussed various types of yoga school. This is the outcome of the bhakti yoga. Bhakti and karma yoga is the most important kinds of yoga for spiritual development. Few words like enlightenment, illumination, samadhi and larger consciousness difficult to understand. Samadhi, like Swami Vivekanand, is very favorite to me. I always think, what is samadhi, what is samadhi, what is samadhi. I will do also spiritual practices and will undergo the samadhi. I read many things about consciousness but couldn't understand well. Now I think larger consciousness is like a prolonged awareness. For example, a president and prime minister or any famous person is known to whole world or country. Their activities are known to public, means we are aware of our surroundings, city, country or world. What is difference between jada or chetan, non-living and living, chetan or achetan, consciousness and unconsciousness? How you treat jada or chetan, living and non-living, that matters a lot. In lower classes, we differentiate between non-living and living. I generally observe we are running behind non-living things. For manufacturing non-living things, we are destroying living things. A child play with toys. Non-living things make our home or surroundings beautiful. Today's generation are not capable of taking care of one or two child, but they are capable of taking care or handle more than 100 employees in office or in company. Few drivers, 3 or 4 servant or maid, गार्डनर एंड मैनी मोर पर्सन्स. बचपन में एक मुहावरा पढ़ा था, किराए के टट्टू मीन्स पैसा देकर काम करा लो. डिफरेंस बिटवीन रिच एंड पुअर पर्सन इज दैट पुअर पर्सन वर्क फॉर द रिच पर्सन. हाउ रिच पर्सन इज यूजिंग पुअर पर्सन आर आल्सो ऑफ मेनी काइंड्स. गरीब और अनएजुकेटेड पर्सन तो पैसों के लिए काम करता है. दे विल फॉलो हायर अथॉरिटीज और देयर ओनर और मालिक. वॉट एवर दे विल से they will do. When person is not satisfied with job, they start business. Building business is also not easy thing. A small scale or big scale business depending upon funds, employee or place available. During this business, interaction or communication with many people create karmic business. This karmic business is at home or outside both. What will be profit or loss, that depends upon honesty or cleverness, laziness or hard work, right or manipulative work, buttering or straightforwardness. Several factors work. What you will choose: anger, irritation, anxiety, hurt, fear, jealousy and competition, that will affect your health directly or indirectly, or immediate or in long run, or you will reduce your soul power or energy. Love, peace, purity, mental stability, happiness, respect are the essential factors for the survival of the soul. God has given wonderful life to us and designed everything in such a way that we get naturally without any effort. But we don't understand this mechanism, and human mind play a different role. We need to pass this life with right karma. Everybody know, when person dies, we take care of their dead body till relatives and family members come for cremation. Few person know, as soul leave physical body, it enters into another body, energy, astral, mental, and so on. Keeping or storing healthy or unhealthy desires plays a very important role for next birth. In that period, you will experience hell or heaven. That is also depend upon karmic business. Karmic entanglement between many souls causes rebirth or settlement of karma, just like when two pots are entangle each other, then it is difficult to separate them. That is why when baby born, it cry first, take breath of new life. We serve our family, especially our children. Why not we can serve to ourself or our divine being? Thank you very much.